Hello, it's Beast Gamer, and today I will be doing some CoD Ghosts. And I'm at my mum's at the moment, so sorry if you can hear some background noise. But yeah, sorry I wasn't uploading yesterday. I was just really busy. But anyway, we're gonna be doing some. What one should we do today? We'll do some kill confirmed. Try and hit a clip for you guys. Okay, maybe not. We're on strike zone. But anyway, I am going to probably do some Assassin's Creed Revelations on my channel. I'm not too sure yet, but it'll be awesome no matter what I do, because I know you guys love it. I'll probably, hopefully, okay, I'm gonna ask a guy to do my intros. Well, I'm gonna have a couple intros actually. Let's just throw a Semtex out in there.
You're coming out on top.
Okay. How the hell? Oh god. No! Oh, I can add the quad. Well, not quad feed. Quad spray, probably. Probably wasn't even that.
Kill confirmed.
Throw it through there. Oh, please stop using a shotgun. There's Semtex out in there, innit? Hopefully that'll get a kill.
Kill confirmed.
Come on. He was right there. Oh. Let's get ballistic vest.
Friendly ground jammer active.
Actually, we're gonna pick up this.
Kill confirmed. Watch that satcom.
No. We are doing so bad.
Yeah, boy.
Throw our Semtex out in there. Just spraying like mad. What the hell am I doing? Throw a Semtex out in there. Like, so I'm using the Vepr with muzzle rake. One thing it doesn't have is long range.
Enemy satcom spotted. They see you.
What the hell? Oh man, I'm switching out. No. But yeah, I have my mate's gone. Raged. Okay, come on. I see you on my map. Coming out this way, is he? Okay, we'll get that little kill.
Friendly ground jammer active. You got this.
Oh, hit marker. Okay, I got the kill. I'm just happy now that I've got the kill. That's what I wanted.
Watch that satcom.
Pick up this TAC 12.
Confirmed.
Oh, okay.
Kill confirmed. Guard dog ready.
Oh man. Alright, we're gonna call in our guard dog. Hopefully it'll help us before the game ends.
Satcom uplink enabled.
No, we would have got a couple kills if we got that in there. Throw the Semtex. Okay, we've got a hit marker with our... Okay, got another assist. That's okay. Okay, we're picking up another shotgun. Okay, let's go.
Confirmed.
Oh god.
Kill confirmed.
Oh, damn it. Picked up a shotgun at the end. I don't think we got last kill though. Did we? Yeah, okay, we did. Check out this skill. He was so stupid to come around that corner. But anyway, 14-9. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.